Welcome everybody. So this session will be in 3ds Max using Craft Director Studio to rig the car and animate it and drive it. So this is the animation that we went through. I go through the process of creating the animation. So let's stop it and I will hide it. Here, when you launch the Director Studio, you need to go here, Craft Director Studio utility. So the program itself is this one, Craft Director Studio. You can download. You have many type of rigging. Let's see, product examples. See some videos. Even it's old 2016, but it's still looking awesome. Easy to set up also. Very nice examples. A lot of physics also. The bouncing, the movement, the suspension. So here I'm creating the free one. There is the extended one with the suspension and everything. So after I'm creating it, I will have it here. It will contain the wheels, the ground, and the body. If I created another one, say the extended one, where's the extended one? So let's put a new layer. This one I will hide it, but I will create extended one. So as you can see, it have more details: the suspension, the wheels, the steering, the direction, a lot of setup. This is the extended. I will just delete it. They have also helicopter also, very cool. Also you can rig it and set up and drive it. So I have the craft here. So what I did, I have the car, this is the wheels. I aligned the craft wheel to the original wheel in the center using Control A, so they look same size. Also you can modify it, extend it by taking it, prolongating it, or making it shorter so it can fit the car. You need to be very exact. And this is the body. After that I link, like the body, I link it to the craft body by using this link. Select and link. So I have the car. To make it drive, you go to the joystick and you choose one of the files. I use the keyboard. So up, down, right, left, nitrous shift, brake control, make the handbrake out and the burnout set. Also you can play with the angle and the speeds also. I'll just make this one longer, 4000, and press record and display. Just want to go to the back and make more room, and now I press record. So I'm driving right and left. Oh, it's freezing. So after you create your animation, just hide this one and you open the car, and it will follow. Okay, after that what I did, I select the whole car, right click, and I add redshift convert, and I converted the material, so it all converted to redshift material. Layout all. So after I convert all of it to redshift material, what I did, let me close here, close this one. So after that I select the whole car and right click, I went to redshift proxy export. I selected where to export it. Also export compression to make it smaller. Connectivity I added also. Didn't choose the camera. Export the sequence, and I put the range like 400 and to make it redshift, and I press export, so I can import it back in Houdini. So have fun playing with this one. Also what I did to make modification and adding the smoke for the wheels, I went to export selected, and I exported the alembic also, alembic, so it's there, so I can modify it and play with it also. And I have the groups and the same hierarchy that I have it here. So later we will go to Houdini in the next video and continue working with the smoke. Thank you very much.